Hi, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. We're going to be offering here a 75 Z1. This belongs to our customer Dan, and he's just kind of downsizing. So what we're going to do here on this bike, we redid this bike several years ago. It's dusty. We're going to clean it up and everything. I fell in love with this bike when I first saw it. This is original paint, 14,800 miles. It's got new tires on it. We're going to put an exhaust on it, and we're going to put the original seat on it. And then we're going to put the luggage rack. Or I'm sorry, we're going to remove the luggage rack, and then we're going to put the original grab bar on here. And we're going to get rid of these lowers here. These lowers are cool sometimes, but one thing I don't like about them is because the butt sits down so low, the motorcycle doesn't lean as far as I'd like it to. So we're going to remove the shock lowers from it. But I mean, if you look at this bike, you're seeing it as is, how he had it stored. This had a complete service, and we're going to make sure it runs and everything. Maybe we'll drop the bowls and the carbs. I don't know. We'll see as we go. We'll be filming it for you. But just all the hardware. This is a very, very, very nice unrestored motorcycle, and we're going to put the nice seat on it. It's got a sealed battery in it. That's got the nice tool tray, and I have the book and some other small goodies for it, along with the records of the service. So we're going to be putting this together here next couple days. Looks like it's original spokes. It looks like, the bike looks like it's all dead nuts on. So this will be, I look for this to be a great everyday rider for someone, or a nice piece to put in their den or whatever they want to do. It's got gorgeous, fantastic grips. Got a little bit of seepage coming out of the front master cylinder. Still has the original coating on the levers. I believe these are the original mirrors. I'm looking at the cables. They've got the original Kawasaki part number on them. I mean, this is what you want if you're looking for a totally nice piece. Okay, well, thanks a lot for looking, and we'll be offering this soon.